How much luxury can one man embody? Leonardo DiCaprio isn't just a Hollywood A-lister, but a connoisseur of the finest things in life. From a sprawling collection of high-end cars, including a Tesla Model S and a Fisker Karma, to luxurious mansions across Malibu and Los Angeles, his lifestyle is a beacon of opulence. In Leonardo DiCaprio's luxury lifestyle, net worth, car collection, mansions, we peel back the curtain to reveal the extravagance that defines Leo's world. Want insider access to his ritzy realm? Subscribe to Luxury Trend for more glitzy facts and eye-catching tours. Born in 1974 in Los Angeles, California, Leonardo Wilhelm DiCaprio is a celebrated Hollywood actor. His early career began with TV commercials, struggling initially until securing a significant role in the 1990 series Parenthood. His breakthrough came with the 1997 blockbuster Titanic, which catapulted him to global fame. DiCaprio has since starred in major hits including Romeo and Juliet, Catch Me If You Can, The Aviator, The Departed, Inception, The Wolf of Wall Street, and The Revenant. His illustrious career has earned him numerous accolades, including an Oscar, a BAFTA, a SAG Award, and 3 Golden Globes. Frequently listed among the world's highest-paid actors, DiCaprio enjoys a luxurious lifestyle due to his successful career. Mansions in Los Angeles. Leonardo DiCaprio, known for his lavish lifestyle, particularly in Los Angeles, has invested in several premium properties. One notable residence is a 3,500-square-foot Spanish-style home in Silver Lake, featuring 4 bedrooms and 4 exquisite bathrooms. DiCaprio acquired this property for £608,000 and listed it in 2018 for approximately $1.7 million. Another of his investments is a recently renovated 1926 home on Red Oak Drive, spanning 4,600 square feet. This property boasts a minimalist design with elegant wood flooring, a spacious living room with high ceilings, a large fireplace, and custom seating. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, a central chef's island, and a dining area adjacent to French doors that open to the outdoors. Leonardo DiCaprio's Los Angeles residence is luxuriously appointed, featuring a formal dining room with an elegant fireplace, a media room with wall-built bookshelves, a home office, a gym, and a guest room. The home includes 5 lavish bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, each uniquely designed for comfort. Highlights include a suite with French windows, plaster-molded fireplace, and private bath, and another suite with charming paneling, glass windows, a rustic walk-in closet, and a luxurious bathroom with double sinks and a bathtub. Outdoors, the property boasts a seating area amidst trees, a balcony dining space, a spacious patio, and a pool with a spa. DiCaprio sold this estate in 2022 for $4.9 million, below the initial $5.75 million asking price. Leonardo DiCaprio also owns a 2-story Spanish colonial house in Los Feliz, purchased for his mother. Built in the 1920s, this 4,900-square-foot property showcases Renaissance architecture, adding a unique charm to every corner. It features a grand staircase at the main entrance, a living room with high wooden beam ceilings, and a formal reception room decorated in period style. The spacious kitchen boasts classic blue cabinets, a refined wooden island, and modern stainless steel appliances, including a breakfast nook. Additionally, the home contains a custom wood-ceiling dining area, a cozy movie room, a gym, a stylish office, and 5 luxurious bathrooms. Mansions in Malibu. Leonardo DiCaprio, like many Hollywood stars, invests in Malibu real estate, known for its beachside properties. He once owned a 1,700-square-foot beach bungalow built in 1950, featuring panoramic Pacific Ocean views and a private beach. This residence included a living room, an 8-seat dining area, and a well-equipped kitchen. Additional amenities comprised a family room with a modern TV, 2 full bathrooms, and 3 uniquely styled bedrooms. The master suite opened to a large deck offering seaside lounging with deck chairs and a hot tub. DiCaprio sold this home for $10.3 million in 2021 after listing it at $11 million. He also owned a larger 2,600-square-foot property on Malibu Colony Road, which fetched $17.35 million, significantly above the $6 million purchase price in 2002. Additionally, he bought a 1.7-acre plot in Paradise Cove from Ridley Scott for $23 million, planning to build a mansion. In 2021, he expanded his portfolio with a $13.8 million mansion in a secluded area, continuing his trend of high-value, strategically chosen acquisitions. Cars. Leonardo DiCaprio, an avid environmentalist, favors hybrid and electric vehicles to support eco-friendly transportation. Among his collection, he drives a Toyota Prius, valued at around $32,000. Known for its affordability and modern design, he also owns a Polestar 2, a purely electric vehicle that starts at $50,000. His taste for sophisticated SUVs is evident with the Audi Q8 and Volvo XC90 T8 Hybrid, costing upwards of $75,000 and $80,000 respectively. Additionally, DiCaprio has been spotted in a Range Rover Vogue and a Tesla Model S, each priced around $95,000 to $100,000. He also enjoys the luxury of a Fisker Karma Hybrid, a high-performance vehicle that can exceed $110,000. Excessive luxuries. Leonardo DiCaprio, with his considerable wealth, leads a life of luxury that extends into his tastes in fashion and collectibles. He has been spotted wearing prestigious watches including a $5,000 Tag Heuer Carrera, a $9,000 Tag Heuer Monaco, an $8,000 Breitling Chrono Avenger, an $11,000 Tag Heuer Professional, and a $180,000 Patek Philippe Nautilus. His passion for art and memorabilia is evident in his acquisitions, such as a $38,000 painting by Jean-Pierre Roy, a $100,000 guitar owned by Bono, $600,000 for the original piano from Casablanca, and $3 million for the iconic shoes from The Wizard of Oz. DiCaprio also indulges in the elite world of yachting. He's been seen on the 315-foot Vava 2, which costs about $700,000 to rent for a week and is valued at around £110 million. The most opulent yacht he used was the 482-foot Topaz, owned by Sheikh Mansour, worth about $400 million, likely costing millions to rent temporarily. This lifestyle showcases his flair for combining high-end luxury with his recreational pursuits. Other real estate. Leonardo DiCaprio, renowned for his extensive luxury real estate holdings, has a diverse portfolio. He owns a mid-century modern house in Palm Springs, sprawling over 7,000 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Purchased in 2014 for $5.32 million, it underwent extensive renovations and now rents for $4,500 per night. In New York City, DiCaprio has been active in the real estate market as well. He sold a 3-bedroom apartment in Greenwich Village for $8 million in 2016, a loss against the $10 million purchase price. He also combined 2 units at 2 River Terrace into a 4,900 square foot apartment, costing a total of $11.7 million. Additionally, DiCaprio owns Blackador Cay, a 104-acre island in Belize. Acquired in 2005 for $1.75 million, he's developing it into an eco-resort featuring villas fully powered by renewable energy, projected to sell for $5 to $15 million each. His real estate investments contribute to an estimated empire worth $60 million. Business. Leonardo DiCaprio is not only a renowned actor, but also a savvy businessman. He owns Appian Way Productions, which has produced hit films including Orphan, Shutter Island, The Revenant, and The Wolf of Wall Street. His commercial endorsements also contribute significantly to his income, representing brands like Jim Beam, Tag Heuer, Suzuki, BYD Company, Fiat, and Oppo. Additionally, DiCaprio invests in various technology startups across different sectors, including MindMaze, Love the Wild, Clue, Diamond Foundry, Rubicon, Casper, and Suja Life. His strategy is to enhance the value of these companies, aiming for them to be worth billions in the future. This multifaceted approach to business showcases his acumen and diversification. Net worth. Leonardo DiCaprio has amassed significant wealth throughout his illustrious film career, with his earnings escalating as his fame in Hollywood grew. Initially, he earned modest sums, such as $75,000 for What's Eating Gilbert Grape and $150,000 for The Quick and the Dead. His paycheck increased to $1 million for The Basketball Diaries and then to $2.5 million for Titanic. The massive success of Titanic added approximately $40 million to his earnings through profit shares. Subsequently, his fees soared: $10 million for Gangs of New York, $20 million each for Catch Me If You Can and The Aviator, $25 million for The Wolf of Wall Street, $30 million for Don't Look Up, and a remarkable $59 million for Inception, reflecting his share of profits. Collectively, DiCaprio's films have grossed over $7 billion globally, justifying his high remuneration. His estimated net worth is around $300 million. Enjoyed the glimpse into DiCaprio's luxurious world? Like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Trend for more lavish lifestyles and opulent outings.